Here we have a 2017 Jeep Compass Limited, 13,000 miles, clean owner, or one owner, clean Carfax, and nice bright red color. They completely redesigned these 17 Compasses. Look a little bit like a small Grand Cherokee, I think, but you have your classic 11-slot Jeep grille. Got your high-intensity headlamps, integrated fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. The Limited gives you these 18-inch chrome wheels with the dark gray inserts here on the multi-spoke. We also got Continental Pro Contact tires here. These things are like new, you know, probably about 8/32 of tread, 3/4 depth left. You got a nice resurfaced shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. As you can see, we have a manual adjustment on the leather trimmed, Jeep embroidered, charcoal black leather offset red stitching. Got two captain's chairs, full console, it flows in between. Got some black highlights here that run across the dash and across your door panels. Really nice amount of features, efficiency, utility, all wrapped up into a nice price point vehicle here. As you can see, in the compact segment, still leaves you very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants here. Also want to show you the matching tires. We do have Continentals all the way around. About the same 8/32, and there's no blemishes on that wheel either. So we continue around to the back, you'll see the Limited badging there on the deck lid. Also you can see it is a true 4x4, true to its Jeep heritage. We do have a backup camera there as well. We'll lift this lift gate so you can see. Nice rubber cargo mat here to protect the rear area. We have a 12-volt power supply in the back to charge electronic devices. 60/40 fold down on your rear seat. Got your child anchors there on the back as well for your child seats. But you know, ample storage room back here, even though, like I say, it is a compact SUV. So we continue around to the driver's side again. Matching Continental tire, good depth, scuff-free wheel there also. And then we'll just give you a look here through the driver's side on the rear. You can see no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The interior is in very good shape on this, well maintained by the previous owner. And then we'll give you a little look here at the front. Now the difference you'll notice, you do have a full power seat with power lumbar here on the front driver's seat, unlike the passenger side. And also, before I get into the tour of the buttons and controls, I did want to show you, it is a proximity key, so you just have to have the key on your person. It is equipped with remote start. Just hit that button twice. You can see the integrated keyless entry as well. Now, as we continue the tour, your power locks, windows, and mirrors are all located right on the switch pod on the door. And we'll jump in. Also, another thing, not only do we have the mechanical report in the glove box, we also keep a vehicle history report on the dash. You can see one owner, no accidents, nice and clean. You can find that theme throughout on all our vehicles we have listed here on the lot. No, and I said it had 13,000 miles. It just has over 12,102 miles. And let's go ahead and check out some of the controls. Over here's your automatic headlamps. Push this button for fogs. Two different dimmer switches, one for your interior lights, one for your cluster brightness. We got a stem to the left, which is your high beams and turn signals. Stem to the right, intermittent wiper washers, front and rear. Control pad to the left here is going to control this center screen. I'll just kind of toggle through. You can see all your different items. Like there's your tripometer, instant fuel economy, there's your tire pressure monitoring, got a digital speedometer. So that's all controlled here. Now you got your Bluetooth or hands-free below. Got your cruise control to the right. Got the big 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. I just fired that up so you can see. Of course, equipped with Sirius satellite, AM and FM as well. Go ahead and hit accept, and you can see a couple other features there that popped up as well. There we go. Of course, there's your AM, FM, and XM radio. You have the ability to input any of your media devices, whether it be through USB or maybe an audio direct inlet. Play your MP3 files. We have your climate controls, as you can see there, dual sliders for driver and passenger with an automatic temperature setting. On your apps here, you'll see as it toggles through to that button, This is where you can access your passenger heated seat, your heated steering wheel, and your driver's heated seat, as well as some of your other preferences. Of course, you have the ability to pair, I think, up to 5 phones on this vehicle through the USB, through Bluetooth. And then, of course, this is just a button right here where you can turn on just the driver's side heated seat right at the bottom if you want to access that quickly. And then you have a button here for different settings and options that you may decide to change or control to meet your own preference. So we'll turn that back to radio. Now we have the ability to shut the screen off. As you can see, we can touch the screen to turn it back on. Here's also your knobs for the audio and the knobs for your climate control. We have your integration here to your USB, your audio direct, and your 12-volt power supply is underneath that cap right there, as you can see. Got the ability to lock it into 4-wheel drive, which is a nice feature. A lot of all-wheel drives don't give you that option, but you can actually determine whether you're going to stay in 4-wheel drive or take it out with a push of a button. You also can turn that dial if you have different terrain settings you know you're going to be driving on, less than optimal traction. You can let the control module know exactly what type of terrain you're going to be traversing over. Now we have the floor shifter here with the ability to select any of the 9 gears of the transmission with a tap up or down. Now we got 2 large cup holders. This vehicle is equipped with the auto stop feature. Essentially what will happen is after a few seconds of being at a dead stop, it'll shut the engine off to give you maximum fuel efficiency. If you don't like that feature, you can toggle it on and off with that button right there. You have an electronic parking brake, you can pull it. And then you have your traction control, the ability to toggle that on and off there as well. Like I said, 2 large cup holders, and then we do have a little console here. As you can see, kind of shallow, but gives you the ability to keep some small items. We got an auto dim rear view mirror right here. We got LED map lights, and we have illuminated vanity there on your sun visor. Let's go ahead and show you underneath the hood. Hood release is right here. Should be a 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder engine. There you see it. Jeep's used this engine for a long time. It's very reliable. As you can hear, it's quiet. There's no exhaust leaks or fluid leaks. It's extremely clean. No corrosion on any electrical terminals. You do have highlighted yellow caps for all your essential fluids. You know, only 12,000 miles, so you would expect that vehicle to be very clean underneath the hood. But I just wanted to give you a little shot of that. Now, we'll get into the next portion of the video, and I really think this helps differentiate us as a business. Not only are we completely transparent in not only the mechanical condition, the auto history as I've shown, and our one price upfront pricing, we're also very forthright in the condition of our vehicles. So what I'm going to try to do here is just go around. If there's any minor imperfections, we try to get these vehicles absolutely as clean as possible. Like I say, all the body lines are nice, straight, and clean. It shows no signs of any prior paint. I haven't noticed any dents or even chips as I've worked my way back. Here's a little blemish, a couple little scrapes on this chrome molding, as you can see there. But the quarter panel looks good, no chips or dings there. Couple little small scratches right there, and then right there on that fascia. Couple little small scuffs right there from loading and unloading cargo. Front face looks good. Wrap around on that fascia looks good on this side. Quarter panel looks fine. Little scuff right here on this door, as you can see. Little scuff underneath that door handle right there. I thought I saw a dent. Yeah, there's 2 dents right there. I think I caught that in the light for you guys. No dent, and there's a little one underneath it also. Fender looks fine. Small little stone chip right there. A little bit of stone chips, little bug damage. Kind of unavoidable. Little scrape there. pick up some stones, a couple little chips there. Driving any of these vehicles on the road, little chip there. Then across the hood, we got a few chips there, as you can see. A couple there as well. Got a dent right here. See if I can catch that in the light. There it is. You can see that dent right on the lip of the hood. It's probably the worst of the damage I've seen right there on the edge of that hood. We got another little dent right there. I don't know if I can catch that one in the light. There's a little dent right there, tip of my finger. We got 2 dents on that hood. I think we had 2 dents on the door, a few scratches, a few chips, but otherwise extremely nice vehicle. Still has a remainder of Chrysler's comprehensive warranty, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.